Guys, the only way to get out is to here. Is to
Alright,
here, guys.
no. Trust me. Everyone get up the railing. Someone bait the slime in, and then we jump over it.
Why is the floor like that?
I don't know. Listen, trust me. Wait, you guys get the idea here? Just jump up the railing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we know.
Alright. Someone bait him out.
I'm beating him. Come here. Okay.
Up the railing, son. You need help?
Wait, what the?
There's something above you. You gotta move.
What?
No.
It's a slime. No, it's sofa.
Alright.
It's sofa. It's a...
No, we just jump.
No, Nikki can't get up the fucking thing. Alright. We're chill.
Okay, no. We can jump over it. Yeah, we can jump over it.
Alright, I'm through. Over.
There's an item should be here.
Oh shit! Yo! Oh my god! Yo! What the fuck? Guys, are you guys fucking retarded? Yo, help! Yo, are you guys fucking...
I swear, if I die, there's an item with me.
Moment Spectre on your right. It's coming.
Oh, Bracken.
Yo, what's up, Bracken?
I don't think you should look at him that long. Yo! I told you should. I'm grabbing his shit. That was fun.
Oh, there you go. There's a fucking dog.
Are you good?
I'm gonna disable the turret again. You guys are gonna walk to the turret.
Slime? Oh, this is it.
Alright, oh my. Yo, spider!
No.
Yo, close the door! Oh my god! You fuck. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? Yo! Wait, he won! Oh.
I can't do anything.
Oh wait, this is a dead end.
Oh, it's a dead end!
But
She's
there's
done.
another one with me. I'm dead, Nikki.
It's over.
I'm dead. Nikki, I'm dead.
Ah, she's dead.
Oh, this is cooked.
It's so over. It's so over.
Ah, God.
Go through first. You're gonna knock someone out. Go through first.
Yeah, go through first.
No!
You fell!
Someone light up the beam. And then... Oh shit, okay. We gotta get back to the ship real quick.
Yo, turret! No! Nikki!
But it's a V9 engine. I don't think it's...
Dude, what's that breathing noise? I swear to God, I'm about to die.
I don't know. I hear nothing, Glitch.
Yo, Duffy, are you there?
Wait! That might be the ghost! I gotta quickly go back.
Oh my God, it is!
Careful.
Oh, lock.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
You said we brought one key.
I forgot to take one key.
Can't we break the cobwebs with the Oh, Bracken!
Second.
No, we can break with the shovel, but...
Yeah, this shit is fucked. Yeah, you take him home. I'm just gonna grab the fucking hairbrush. Let's go home, Justin. Let's go home. I think
Where
that's
the
it now.
fuck is the emergency exit?
This is so dark.
All I want for Christmas.
Oh, through.
The only way.
Big room, I think.
Comedy.
Oh, just.
Whoa!
We gotta get out.
We're leaving! We
Let's
are
get out.
leaving!
We're leaving.
How do you leave? Where do you
Careful,
go?
sir. I don't know. Wait, what the fuck? Where did you go? He's finding.
We are leaving.
Leave.
Yo, someone got left behind! Yo, fuck that guy! We are leaving! Yo, fuck that guy! Holy shit! Yo, oh my god!
No.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you.
Echo shop.
Balik aja.
We going.
Bottles.
There's a landmine.
Dude! Are you fucking retarded? Why did he do that? Yo, why are you doing that? Man, what the fuck?
Can we just run this?
You go. Oh, he turned it off. Let's go.
No, he did it.
Oh my god! Yo, landmine! Yo, there's a landmine! Yo, leave! Dude, there's
Okay, let's
two
not go
landmines. There's two landmines. Davi, don't go down! Dude. Dude. Yo, Davi's fucking dead, man.
No way! What did he
He walked into a fucking turret.
I'm gonna be him back then.
No, yeah, I'm gonna take his flashlight.
Oh,
Dude.
Oh my god,
no
fucking bracket, man.
There is no
I didn't even see the fucking bracket there. Oh my god!
Close door, you fuck! Oh my gosh. Oh, no.
Well,
Dude, why did he start screaming, man?
Why do you start screaming, you bitch? I already jumped. He could already hear me.
Wait,
man.
who died? Wait, you didn't even die. Someone else did. Fuck.
Fuck you, Davi.
Wait, no. It's enough.
No, tinggal 20 itu aja, 20. Oh. Gitu.
Guys, help me.
Just sell the 2B, right?
Motherfucker.
So just sell 1B, sell
You
1 2.
motherfucker. Motherfucker.
1B, okay, 1B and then
Oh my.
Oh. I think he died.
who died?
What?
with a B?
God? One more.
I
One
dare
more
you.
right now.
Picking out your cat for the Rizzler. Ow.
Your heart, move to the city, no time.
Oh, landmine, that's one.
Oh, that's one.
Lock.
What
What the fuck?
No, the fuck doesn't. Hey.
Oh my.
What happened?
Is anyone dead?
Close the door!
Dude, I was trying to open it. Oh, landmine. Do not go here.
Oh, no.
Wait. I got this.
Don't be stupid.
Yeah, we're clearing out of that stairwell, man.
No. Trust me. See? I'm up here. It's chilling.
I don't trust any to do that, man.
Plastic fish.
Yeah, I'm going the other way.
That's it?
I think that's it.
Oh, that's what a fucking plastic.
Someone fucking died.
What the fuck? Oh, how do...
What happened?
Oh.
What happened?
Isn't Nikki gonna die? Like if it activates?
Nikki?
No, bitch!
What?
I don't think that's enough. Is that enough?
I don't know.
The code is
We have
235.
we have a +5 here.
Turn.
What the fuck?
Back.
I don't know.
It's a dead end. Dead end. Dead end. Don't go there. How do we leave? How do we leave? Where's the fucking exit? This is a dead end.